Hi, team. My name is Frank Wetzler, a senior support engineer with Boomi, and today's video is going to cover a common problem around your runtime being marked offline. What causes it, and maybe some of the remediation efforts. So, quickly here, we have an example of a two-node cloud. If your runtime, whether it's an atom, a molecule, or a cloud, is marked offline by the platform instead of online. One thing to look for, the key actually log entry to look for, is a log entry like this. Um, every 5 seconds, or approximately every 5 seconds or so, the head node of a molecule or cloud and the atom single JVM will attempt to inquire of the platform what messages it has to download. So things like test mode execution runs, environment extension updates, releases being applied, anything involving a message from the platform, a process deployment, a request to execute a process, a property change. This occurs approximately every 5 seconds. And you'll see a message logged at the fine level in the runtime container where it indicates downloading message from atom.boomi.com. It'll list your container ID and it'll put it in the message download folder on the file share or the installation directory. It'll be in binary format and then it'll be executed, unpacked, and then executed upon. Um, Basically, the thread that interacts with the platform has a timeout value of 5 seconds. And if it's not successful, there'll be a backout period. It'll then try within 30 seconds. And it'll continue this for 2 minutes. If the head node of a molecule or cloud or simply an atom is unable to communicate with the platform for the purposes of downloading messages from the platform within a 2-minute period, the platform will mark the runtime offline, the entire cluster or the atom. In the case of an atom, it will mark it offline. Um, Many times, this is due to a firewall rule or something in the network that has changed. Sometimes it's due occasionally to an issue with the platform, in which case opening up a support case is appropriate. And once in a while, it's just normal doodle load. So if you see this repeatedly happening, it's certainly something to investigate, but start with the frequency at which and the number of attempts that you see in your container log for the head node um, of a molecule or cloud. In this case, it would be node 154 for this particular cloud. For a molecule here, it would be node 62. And then for a simple atom, it's just the atom itself. Look in there and look for this downloading messages from atom.boomi.com. It's also possible to see platform.boomi.com in there as well, and see whether or not there's a problem reaching the platform for the purposes of downloading messages. All right. With that, I thank you and happy integrating. Talk to you again soon.